So again, it asks us to identify the vertex of the function of the graph below. In this particular case, we just want the very bottom, right? So it's the very bottom of the valley, the lowest point of this parabolic shape. Now, because it's the lowest point from a graphic perspective, we would call this the minimum. So this is the vertex, and in this case, we would label that as the minimum value. It's the minimum value for y for this function, okay? And it occurs at 3, comma, -2, okay? And that's basically it.